What is HLookup? The horizontal lookup or HLookup function in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to search for a specific value in a row of data and retrieve related information from another row. The HLookup function has four main components. Lookup value, the value you want to find. Table array, the range of cells where Excel should look for the data. Row index number, the row number from which you want to retrieve the data. Range lookup, a logical value, true or false, that specifies whether you want an approximate match, TRUE, or an exact match, false. For most cases, we use false for an exact match. The table here contains the data of this month. We shall bring the last month's data next to this table using the HLookup function. In cell G2 we type is equal to HLookup, open bracket. Select cell B1 and freeze the row A using $, comma. Select the table from the last month sheet, range A1 to F32, and freeze the cells using the $, comma. As the first number is in row 2, we type 2 for row index number, comma. We want the exact match, hence we type 0 for exact match, close bracket and hit enter. Let us copy and paste the formula in other cells to see what happens. We observe that the result is the same. This is because the row index number is 2, and we need to change the same to get the right result. Hence we edit the same in row 3 and change the row index number from 2 to 3. In the row 4, we change the row index number from 2 to 4. In the row 5, as we are working with a large amount of data, this method is very slow and prone to mistakes. So we will use the row function in the row index number. We type is equal to HLookup, open bracket, select cell B1, and freeze the row using $function, comma. Select the table from the last month sheet and freeze the cells using the $, comma. Type row, open bracket, and close bracket, comma. We want the exact match, hence we type 0 for exact match, close bracket and hit enter. Now when we copy-paste the formula in the adjoining cells, the correct data gets pulled from the dataset. This is how HLookup function works with data which is exact match. Then there is another function in the range lookup option, which is the approximate match. We activate the same by using the true function. Here is the incentive table. If the daily sale is between 0 to 10,000, then the incentive earned is 0. If the sale is between 10,000 to 20,000, the incentive earned is 100, and so on. In our data there are no round figures. As there is no option for exact match, we cannot use false or 0 in the range lookup. Here we will use true or 1 for range lookup. In cell L2, we type is equal to HLookup, open bracket, select cell F2, comma. We do not need to freeze any row or column here, so we will not be using the $sign here. Select incentive table from cell AA2 to cell AX3, and freeze the range using the $sign, comma. We type 2 for row index number, comma, and type 1 for closest match. One important thing to note here is, the table should be sorted in ascending order for this formula to work. Close bracket and hit enter. The incentives have been pulled in the cells accordingly. The sale of day 1 is between 30,000 to 40,000, hence the incentive is 300. The sale of day 6 is above 100,000, hence the incentive is 1,000. We've covered the basics, syntax, and real-life examples.